In this video, I will be showing you how to create a designer quality welcome sign in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking on Custom Size and setting my canvas dimensions to 24 by 36 inches. Once the blank project opens, I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for a wedding arch. I'm choosing this simple, elegant arch graphic and scaling it up to fill the center of the page. Now I'll search for wedding flowers to find some matching floral graphics. I'll place a large floral arrangement in the bottom left corner and then add another to the top right using the flip tool to mirror it for a balanced look. Next, I'll add a text box and type welcome. To give it that professional designer feel, I'm changing the font to Above the Beyond script and sizing it up to fit the arch. Below that, I'll add To the Wedding in a clean all-caps serif font. Now I'll add the names of the couple, Sam and Paul. I'm switching the font for the names to Playlist script to create a beautiful hand-lettered contrast. Between the names, I'll add a large stylized ampersand. I'll take a moment to adjust the positioning of the names and the ampersand until the layout feels perfectly balanced within the archway. Next, I'll add the wedding date at the bottom. I'm using a minimalist font and increasing the letter spacing to give it a sophisticated, airy appearance. To finish the design, I'll tuck in a few more small floral elements around the date and the side of the arch. Finally, I'll adjust the transparency of the ampersand so it sits softly in the background behind the names. And that's it, a custom, professional welcome sign ready to print for your big day.